If you want to connect wired headphones to Samsung Galaxy S26, then in that case you need to use the USB-C port that we have at the bottom of the phone. Of course, exactly the same one that you use for charging, for example. Now, in order to connect wired headphones, your wired headphones should have USB-C cable, so something like this, of course, so that you can connect it to the phone directly. And if you do have wired headphones with this kind of cable, you can just connect it to the phone and it should work just fine. But if you have wired headphones with this kind of cable, the 3.5mm headphone jack cable, that in this case, we need to use an adapter. We need to use an adapter that has the headphone jack input, and then it converts to the USB-C cable. So we plug it in just like this, and then we connect our wired headphones with the adapter to the phone, and then it should work just fine. These adapters are fairly cheap and easy to find. Usually you can find them on such a website as Amazon and other similar websites, of course, as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.